If you're in Georgia and going through the probate process and trying to sell a home, stay for this story. If you're familiar with the probate process, somebody has to be appointed as the executor of the estate. But no, just because you're appointed as the executor of the estate doesn't necessarily mean that you have the rights to sell a property. With that, ensure that the documents that are signed by the judge do give you the authority to sell the home. If the judge signs an NA, not applicable, or doesn't give you the authority, there are ways to get around to getting you the authority. So stay tuned. You will have to file what's called a petition to sell or leave property. And this is it's filed in the court for that specific county. The judge has to approve it, so it has to be reviewed and approved. And sometimes the judge can also demand that a bond be in place. And the bond ultimately has to be filed. You have to go to an insurance company or a bond company and secure the amount that the judge orders. Oftentimes it's enough to cover what's in the estate, for the proceeds of the estate. If there's any vehicles, anything of value, the judge depicts what amount that they want to set. So once you have all of that squared away, you can then go under contract and get all that information to the closing attorney. The closing attorney will then require that an estate account, bank account, be established because the proceeds from the transaction have to be remitted to an account tied to the estate. So to sum it all up, here we go. 1, become the executor of the estate. 2, know and confirm that you have the authority to sell said property. 3, complete all requirements assigned by the judge, albeit a bond, security amount, whatever it may be. Read your paperwork, people. And then 4, get all of that information to the closing attorney. 5, set up a bank account in the estate's name. Make it to the closing table and breathe. And don't forget to wrap up all the other items on the estate end as well. Once you receive the funds from the sale of the home, essentially my job as the realtor is done. However, as the executor of the estate, you still have things that you have to tie up to resolve or dissolve the estate as well.